everyone, my name is Kissha J, and thank you for stopping back by my channel today. As you can see, as always, I'm very excited about this video. Here we do DIY home decor, so if you're into that, hit that subscribe button below. Stick with me, okay? Because you're gonna love it, period. I am super excited about today's DIY because I went to Ikea. I picked up a couple of items, and today we're gonna be doing a Ikea hack. Yes, it's my first time doing this. I'm super excited about it. I picked up a tray. We're gonna be turning that thing into a clock. It was very simple, very easy, very fun. Duh. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, so let's get started on this project. Like I said, it was super easy, super fun. So to get started with this project, you want to go to Ikea, or you can actually order online. Now, Ikea has, I remember when Ikea first opened like years ago, when you used to try to order stuff online, they were like knocking you over the head in delivery fees. So now they have it to where the delivery cost is $5, or just kind of dependent on how far you stay from the Ikea that your merchandise will be coming from. So you just want to either go to Ikea, or you can order this tray offline, and I'll pop a picture of what that tray looks like. You want to get one of these trays, and this is what we're going to be making the clock out of, okay? So I decided to, if you like, you can paint it a different color. I decided to keep it the same color because I just absolutely love the natural tone that this had. So I decided to keep it basic, keep it simple, and keep it the same color that it is. So it's kind of like this wood, natural wood grain color, and it's beautiful. I love that Ikea came up with this. So in order to make this a clock, you're gonna want to put a hole directly in the center. So because this tray is kind of like an odd shaped, you're gonna want to get your measuring tape and measure the middle. So it's gonna be kind of hard. As you can see in the video, it took me a couple of tries. And what I did was I would measure it, I would lift it up, I would look at it to try to gauge the center, because the way that this is shaped, it's kind of hard for you to figure out what the middle is. So just by trial and error, before you put the hole in it, using a pencil, measure, and you're gonna just mark the center. And just kind of, like I did, lift it up, kind of see, if that's the middle, if not. And before you, put that hole in there, you want to make sure that you kind of got the center of it. The good thing about doing DIYs, though, is that it does not have to be perfect. DIYs are supposed to be fun. That's the glory of this. Like, DIYs don't have to be perfect. Just do your thing. And if you so happen not to get the center of it, girl, that's okay. When people come in your home and see something that you did by yourself, is going to be beautiful in itself. So if you're not able to get the center of this, girl, that is okay. Just do your thing and have fun with it. So what you're going to want to do is find the middle if you can. If not, like I said, that's perfectly okay. And then you're going to want to put a hole in that thing. This is what I used, okay? I went on Amazon and I purchased this wood burning tool, okay? So this was probably like $10. I'll put the link to it below, just in case you want to use this method. Now, let me tell you, I used this, I did mine by using this, but after I was done and complete with that, I thought this probably would have been so much easier, and it probably would have went so much faster if I used my my drill to drill a hole directly in the middle. It probably would have been quicker and easy. But I'll tell you why I didn't do that. Because the force of that drill, I just thought it would have probably cracked it, because this is not a wood tray. I think this is like a plastic tray with kind of like a wood grain laminate on top of it. Don't quote me on that. I'm not really sure. This is just from what I can figure. So you can either use this, which worked. It just took a little bit to get the hole completely through. You can either use this, or you can use your drill. Your drill probably would be a quicker method to get the hole into this tray. So once I did that, I went to Hobby Lobby and I purchased like these little clock trinket thingy, if you will. I don't know the name of it, but they sell it at Hobby Lobby. They sell like the clock hands and then the little square box that goes on the back of the clock where you put your battery in to work the actual hands. So I got that at Hobby Lobby, and it gives you the instructions on how to install it. I advise you to read those instructions carefully. They do have a picture on there, but sis, I don't know, that it didn't do nothing to help me. So I had to read the instructions carefully, and I just kind of tried to assemble it by what the directions was saying. I mean, it was easy. I would just say read the instructions. So after you have that done, your clock is done. That's it. Like I said, this project was so simple, so easy, so fun to do, and it turned out beautifully. So let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if you decide to do it. Man, I hope that you decide to do it. That's how easy this is. If you decide to do this project, do me a favor. Send me pictures of what you did over on my Instagram channel, my Instagram page. My Instagram name is Kissha J. Just that simple. And send me what you did. Show me how you decided to put that hole in that tray. Okay. So I hope you guys love this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you again for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey guys, what's going on? If you're watching this, that means you made it to the end of my video. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Also, there'll be some more videos somewhere over here that you can watch. If you haven't seen those, what you waiting for? Go ahead and click that button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.